Hello guys, today I'm going to review S9 Samsung Galaxy S9 bought from Souq.com, an Amazon company. Okay, this is the box and these are the features backside, as you can see. Okay, now we are going to unbox it. Here it is, Samsung Galaxy. It's packed with the seal here. Okay, do not accept the seal is broken. Okay, Samsung. Just cut off the seal and unpack it. Now you get to see this one. You get this inside. You can open it and see what inside. It's a pin here, and also you get the Samsung, the cover with the guide. Samsung cover with the guide. It's okay quality. It's not that good, but it's okay. Okay, keep it yourself beside. There you have the Samsung phone here. The serial numbers here. Just keep it here. Here is the Samsung phone. Just take it here like this. This is the phone with all the serial numbers on it and everything here attached. You can see it's packed, totally packed. Let's put this aside and move on to see what's inside. You get the fast charging charger, fast charging. Okay, put it aside. Then you have the OTG cable, USB to the OTG connector, where you can connect the pen drive to your phone. Then here you have the type C cable, type C cable. Then the headphones are of good quality, AKG. It's a good brand and I like it. And that's it. Okay, this is a phone here. Just now on the phone, just going to start. Hi there. Yeah, started. Next, not right now. Next, agreement. Okay, just agree. You gotta type the name here. The next thing is the protect your phone scanner. We'll just skip this for this time. Skip anyway. Okay, improve location, agree. Next, skip. Next, finish. All done. The phone is ready to use. Bismillah. It's done. Here you have the new Samsung Galaxy S9. It looks very premium. It's very good, and the finish is awesome. The curve finish, and I really like it. That's it from the guys. Then I'll just get back to you once I use the phone for a week. See you.